Good morning, this is Donna. Today I'm going to be talking about the Accufeed foot for the Janome or the Skyline series, I guess S6, S7, S9. Anyway, so this is the foot that actually comes with the machine. I think the S9 actually comes with the smaller one. But there's some questions, I guess, on how you change out these feet. So actually, what they do is takes a little bit, but they actually slide off. And if you can look in here, I'm not sure if it's gonna zoom in enough. There's these little hooks right here, and here, and there's a little indentation right here, and this is actually where they go. So say you wanted to put on the 1/4 inch foot, the actual foot part here, you pop it in like this. I don't know if you can see. Let me hold it here before I pop them in. These little tabs are lined up with this little piece of plastic that comes out here, and then you just securely push them in. It takes a little bit. It's not the easiest thing to get on, but it's there now. And then as it walks, it does its thing. So you should be good to go. But just remember and be careful, because if you do it wrong, you have the potential to break this little piece of plastic here, or potentially knock off these little nubs. I know when the machine first came out, there was a batch of feet where these were breaking off, and it was covered under the warranty, and I think they've got all of that resolved. And I've not had a problem with mine. I just had a few customers back when I sold the machine that actually had some that broke. So just be careful. And once you start using it and stuff, you'll get the feel of it, and you'll know, if it's in there or not. So anyway, I just wanted to do this quick little video to show you how to change out the feet for your Accufeed. So that's it for today, and we will talk to you later. Bye.